In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys step by step on how to migrate your WordPress website to a new domain. So if this is your first time visiting our channel, do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell so that you'll not be missing out videos like this. So let's get started. Okay guys, this is our WordPress website. We want to move it to a new domain. Okay, before doing that, you simply need to extract this WordPress website. So we are going to click on our dashboard. So guys, for you to extract this WordPress website, you simply need to use any extracting plugin. That is, we are going to be using the all-in-one plugin. That's the free version. So we'll click on plugins, add new. So if you don't yet have the plugin installed on your WordPress website, you simply need to install it. So guys, this is it. We already installed it. So we are going to click on all-in-one plugin. Click here, extract. Okay, we'll scroll down. We are going to see the extract to. So these are the various extracting formats. So you can simply choose that is the file type. So it is extraction is being taken place. So you simply need to wait for a while for this to complete. Okay, once it is complete, you simply need to download the WordPress website. Click on download. Okay, once the download is complete, you simply need to open the folder. So this is it here. Okay guys, once you are done with downloading your WordPress website, you simply go to your hosting plan. You choose the domain name in which you want to import that WordPress website. So we are going to click on websites, since we are using the hosting. So this is our new website here. You click on WordPress login, and it is a brand new domain. As you can see, there's no data there. That's it. So we'll go back here, we'll go to plugins, click on add new. So guys, we are still going to be using the free all-in-one plugin to import this extracted WordPress to our new domain. So this is it here. But in some cases, if your WordPress website is more than, let's say, 4 gig, 5 gig, I'm going to be leaving a link in the description box below where you can actually get a larger WP migration backup plugin. So click on activate. Once you activate it, you simply click on all-in-one plugin, click on import. So guys, after that, you click on import from. So you can see that the hostinger actually provided us, that is a larger all-in-one plugin storage. So we can import up to 2 GB, but in some cases you can only import, let's say, 500 megabytes or 200 and something megabyte. So we are going to click on import from, click on files, download. So click on it. That's a WordPress website we just downloaded from the other domain name. So this might take a while, so you simply need to wait for the importation to complete. So once importation is complete, you simply need to click on proceed. Please do not close your browser window, so leave it in that manner. So once importation is complete, we're simply going to verify our domain name. So this is the new domain name, as you can see, Onyore, and this is the old domain name. So we're going to see. So this is it, Mokube Tech. This is Onyore. So that's it, the same WordPress website. So guys, that's actually the way you migrate your WordPress website to a new domain. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.